Hello mga ka-journey! Wow! It's been a while. And welcome back to Push and Grind again. Yan, magandang gabi sa inyo mga repa, mga moms. No? Na-miss namin kayo, no? And of course, here we are again sa Push and Grind, the Prosperity Journey. And again, no? Tayo nga pala ay ang inyong lingkod, si Nurse JB, ang nurse entrepreneur here in Virginia.
And ako naman si Linmer, MedTech from Arizona. Season 2 na tayo. Season 1, we talk about clarity, resilience, and paano bumangon sa struggles. Ang daming nakarelate, lalo na sa ating mga healthcare workers at OFWs.
Wow, tapos na ang season 2, season 1, so season 2 na. And this
Yeah.
season, nako, maraming mga kapanapanabik na mga topics tayo naka-ready sa ating mga tagapakinig. Mas lalalim pa tayo, kumbaga. Ang team natin ngayon for tonight's episode is From Scrubs to Significance. Lalim na, ha? Kasi oo, suot
Malalim.
natin scrubs, no? Bro, ako ay scrubs dahil nga nurse, and you as medtech, you're wearing scrubs as well. So araw-araw yan. Pero hindi lang ito tungkol sa trabaho. Marami tayong mga tatakil dito. It's about building a life na may peace at may purpose.
Kaya perfect start ang episode na to. New shift, new mindset. How to begin again without burning out. Yun. Kasi kahit kaano kakagaling, kung pagod na ang puso't isip mo, hindi tatagal.
Yeah, tama yan bro, no? So nga pala, Repa, ang daming healthcare workers na nagsasabi na parang routine lang ang buhay nila. Isa na ako doon noon. So, duty, uwi, tulog, kain, repeat. Ikaw, Repa, paano mo nakikita yung pinaka-core struggle mo dito sa USA?
Uh, the struggle is living on autopilot. Physiologically, shift work disrupts your circadian rhythm. Kahit tulog ka, deep, kahit naka-deep rest ka, emotionally nawawala ang sense of normal life. Pakiramdam mo, trabaho lang, then recover just enough para makapagtrabaho ulit. But here's the deeper layer. Kapag araw-araw ganito, you lose your sense of progress. Parang takbo ka ng takbo, pero paikot-ikot lang. And for Filipinos abroad, dagdag pa yung pressure na nagpapadala ng pera, mag-ipon, magtaguyod ng pamilya, and the cycle is work, send, repeat, hanggang dumating ang tanong, may iba pa ba bukod dito?
Yes, no? Tama ka dyan, bro, no? And I felt that too, no? As a nurse. At I'm sure na mga takapakinig natin mga nurses dyan, and not all nurses, all healthcare workers na nakaka-relate sa topic na ito, no? Kasi minsan naka-duty ka physically, okay, pero emotionally parang zombie ka na. Lalo yan, no? Typical din sa US yan dahil napakaraming bills. You are there but not fully present. The danger is when you don't break that cycle, yung burnout sneaks in slowly. Hindi mo na malayan.
Tama, kaya kailangan natin i-identify na this is not normal stress. Stress pushes you pero burnout empties you. So that awareness is step one. JB, minsan kahit alam natin na pagod na tayo pero hirap pa rin umamin eh. Ikaw ba nagkaroon ka ng time na halos give up mode ka na pero pinipilit mo pa rin?
Oo naman, bro. Definitely. Dumating sa atin yan. Especially during huwag na tayong lumayo, nung pandemic, di ba? Ang dami kong mga tawag dito, mga nights na papasok ako, pero yun, deep inside, drain na ako. Kasi we are really overwhelmed during that period of time. Pinipilit kong maging strong kasi nga, yun na expectation sa atin dahil tayo ang inaasahan ng buong mundo. Nurse ka, dapat kaya mo. Yun na eh. Pero totoo, I was scared na. Really, really, because I got kids, I got family during that time. I was scared, I was tired, and guilty na rin. And here's the truth. When you deny that exhaustion, lalo kang lumalala. No? Nagpe-pretend ka lang. Pretentious lang ba? So, kasi napapabayaan na yung hindi lang yung katawan mo eh. Kundi pati lahat na yan. Holistically, emotionally, pati na syempre relationships. Sawa mo, kaibigan mo, ka-workmate mo. So, emotionally, honestly, is not weakness. It's actually professional responsibility. So, dapat alam mo bang dalhin. And then, kasi kung pagod ka na, pero hindi mo pa inaamin, both you and your patient, madadamay. They will suffer.
Tama ka dyan, JB. Ako rin sa lab. May mga araw na autopilot mode. Nakangiti ako sa labas pero sa loob, empty. That's why emotional honesty is crucial. Kasi once you admit it, you give yourself permission to heal. And healing doesn't just help you, it makes your care safer and more authentic.
Tumpak ka dyan, Repa, no? Tamang-tama yung pagkakasabi, no? Kasi, kaya nga sabi nga, di ba, honesty is step one toward mindset shift. So, kung halimbawa, Repa, kung na-identify na natin at naging honest tayo sa sarili natin, para naman yung shift in the mindset. Ano ang pwedeng baguhin natin para hindi tayo lamunin ng burnout?
But unang-una, separate your role from your identity. You're not just a nurse, a med tech, or CNA. That's what you do, not who you are. Kasi kung trabaho lang basihan ng self-worth mo, then every bad shift feels like failure as a person. Number two, reframe the struggle into significance. Instead of grabe, toxic shift, isipin mo, yes, mahirap pero may natulungan akong buhay today. Or
Tama.
this shift is funding my family's dreams. Kasi science shows when your brain assigns meaning to pain, the pain becomes more bearable.
Yeah. And I want to add also on your statement that, choose agency over victimhood. Ano yung
Yeah.
sabihin to? Ang daming healthcare workers ang sinasabi wala akong choice. Pero meron. Maybe not in schedules, but always in response. You can control the hospital system eh. But you can control what? How you can show up. So sabi nga nila, uh, you can control only what is controllable. So ano yun? Ikaw, sarili mo. That shifts, that shift gives you power, kumbaga.
And gratitude mindset. Hindi ito about ignoring problems but focusing on the bigger blessings. Kasi burnout shrinks your view and gratitude expand it.
Exactly. And mindset only sticks when you pair it with action. So ano gagawin mo yung plano kung wala kang manggawa?
Tama. Alright, so let's get practical. So JB, ano ang mga specific steps para daily ma-reset natin ang mindset at hindi lang puro theory?
Ayan, ito actually maganda ito na marinig ito ng karamihan sa ating mga healthcare worker. Hihimay-himayin natin yan. Una sa lahat, pre-shift ritual. Ayan. Ako naniniwala ako mahalaga ito eh. Kahit 10 minutes lang, okay? Alam mo ginagawa ko bago ako pumasok? I pray. I pray, breathe, kaya write down yung mga ano ko, three intentions for that day. Para siya kumbaga, bago ka sumabak sa isang work o sa isang laban, you prepared yourself mentally. Parang mental warm-up ba? Pangalawa, number two, micro breaks. Ito mga term to na marinig nyo sa akin na ano na bago. Kahit restroom break, okay? I pause to breathe deeply. Doon ko ginagawa yung saglit lang. Okay, hinga. O, tapos wala na rin. Nakaka-distress yun. Studies shows na short breaks prevent mental fatigue. Ayan ha. I'm sure yung iba ginagawa ito. So pangatlo ito, post-shift decompression. So ano naman to? Ano ibig sabihin nito? I don't just crash in bed right away. Halimbawa, galing sa work. I shower. Itanggalin mo. Siyempre, marumi ang hospital. At the same time, parang na-release mo na rin yung mga bad, ano ba, mga bad events na nangyari sa shift mo. Listen to music, write one thing I'm grateful for, and then that helps brain let go of the shift. And last but not the least, boundaries. Not all overtime is really worth it. I know we need overtime. Okay? But kung uubusin ka nito, walang saysay ang extra pay. Yeah?
Correct. Yes, and I'll add two more. One is connection, because burnout grows in isolation. So a short chat with family or friends can refill your emotional energy. And another one is joy scheduling. Dapat may inaabangan ka. Hobby, kagaya ng ginagawa natin, we're
Ito,
podcasting sa hobby, or a trip, or even a simple coffee na ina-anticipate mo, it boosts resilience.
exactly. Kasi kung halimbawa walang intentional reset, default mode is burnout. Naka-default ka, burnout na yung default mo. Ayaw natin yan. Pero kung may system ka, recovery becomes automatic. So, bro, para sa mga ka-journey na listening right now, exhausted, drained, okay, halos give up mode na, what truth do they need to hear today? Yan.
Here's the truth. Pagod ka pero hindi ibig sabihin wala ka ng value. Burnout is not your identity, it's a signal. And every new shift is a chance to restart. Remember, you're not just working for today's shift, you're building for your family, your dreams, and your legacy.
Yes, tama ka dyan, tumpak. Na ano, nadali mo. And don't underestimate small wins. Nung season 1 pala, pinag-uusapan natin, importante ang small wins. Survive a toxic shift, okay? That's resilience. Okay? Send money home kahit pagod. Okay? Tayo pa mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo dyan. That loves in action made one patient smile. Yeah. That's legacy. Burnout, don't erase your worth. Okay? Every day is another chance to rise again.
Exactly. Kaya mga ka-journey, don't be afraid to begin again. Every new shift is not just work, it's a fresh chance to align your mindset with purpose. So mga ka-journey, what a powerful season to start. Remember, new shift, new mindset, you always have a choice to restart.
And if there's one thing to take away today, okay, ito yon. Totoong burnout, okay? Lahat tayo nakakaranas niyan, okay? Walang exemptions diyan, okay? Pero breakthrough is always possible, okay? If you choose your mindset, always, no? Protect your mind, protect yourself. This is your asset, yourself. If you choose your mindset and build your system, wow, kaya natin lahat. Makakaya natin lahat. At we will go and we will, ano kumbaga, we will move forward para sa ating mga dreams and goals here sa USA.
So, salamat sa pakikinig.
Oh, tapos na
Follow
kaagad
me
yun.
on
Bilis to, no?
Instagram. Instagram ko is PinoyMT. Also, YouTube channel, PinoyMT. Andun lahat yung mga behind the scene and everything. So,
Yeah.
follow us on our social media. JB?
Yes, actually, napaka-ikli lang nitong first episode natin season 2. But we gonna assure you guys, mga pa mga moms, na marami kapupulutan pa mga aral mo sa susunod nating episode. Kaya pakaabangan. Lalo ngayon at palapit na ang fall season. By the way, ako naman si JV. Ang aking YouTube channel naman is Team Liberial. Okay? So, I hope na marami kayong natutunan tonight. Okay? And this is a good start for our episode, I mean season 2. And then, next episode natin, okay? Kapanapan na Victor dahil you're more than your uniform. Tandaan yan, okay? Lalo ng mga healthcare workers. Building identity outside the job. Ayan, kapanapanamig na to, okay? Building identity outside the job. Sa mga
Tama.
importanteng topic to. Don't miss it, mga repang mga moms.
Yeah. It's you should anticipate this next episode kasi it's gonna be there's gonna be more lessons to learn.
Exactly.
So JV,
So, yeah.
paano?
Okay,
This is
papaalam tayo
Push
sa
and
mga
Grind,
tagabutik. Push and grind. The
the
prosperity
prosperity journey.
journey. Kita-kits ulit mga moms. Bye-bye. Paalam.
Kita
Good
kits.
night. God bless.